Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video and today we'll be doing Eid look. So today I'm gonna do a very simple smoky with like shimmery and glittery eyelids. I just want to do like a simple eye look. I don't want to do like any heavy eyeshadow look because I don't feel like. I always do like a heavy and in detailed eye look, but I don't want to do that. I want to do a very simple eye look. I must have done like this eye look a million times, but I still want to do that. Maybe I'll do a second look as well. I am not sure, but if I get time I'll do a second look as well. If you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews, hauls, and even I have my vlogging channel as well. The link is there in the description of my Instagram, my vlogging channel, so please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and without wasting time, let's get into the video. So I've already like used this brow pen in my TikTok video, so we'll just use it again. And I am actually using the pen before the glue. It doesn't really work on the glue, and these type of pens work well on bare skin, so I'm just using it lightly. Now that we are done with the brows, I'm just going to quickly use the glue on top of that. It's like a nice glue and I'm really liking this soapy brow look. Really loving this, and it is like so affordable, looks really good. I'll just quickly do the other eyebrows off camera and I'll just be back. Okay, so now that my brows are done, we'll quickly get into the eye look. So I'm just going to prime my lids first. I'm using this NARS concealer. I'm really enjoying this concealer a lot, even to like prime my eyes, and I like this concealer even for like every day. Really lightweight and gives a nice coverage. So what are your plans for Eid? I honestly don't have any plan. Maybe like cook something for lunch, and maybe I'll make like shawarma. Obviously we are just like 2 people, so I honestly haven't like had shawarma since come to Dubai. I make it every year, but I haven't had it, so I'm not even sure whether I'll be having that, but I'll surely make that, and I will actually take you guys along with me. Whatever I'll do on Eid, I'll obviously like vlog that stuff, and maybe make some really good food and get ready, take some pictures. That's all for my Eid day, and next day is our anniversary, so really not sure about that. So I'm actually going to use the Natasha Denona mini retro palette. This is the mini glam palette, and broke this eyeshadow because it fell from my hand and the eyeshadow like broke. I'm really so sad about that, and I'm just going to like mix with the mini Zendo palette. I am actually going to mix in this light shade and the light shade from mini glam palette, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Rosa is like going way too fast. It's like yesterday it was the first day and today it's almost the 23rd day. I'm just going to take this deeper shade, just little bit, and put it in the outer corner, just little bit. Just want like that tint so that it matches like with my outfit. And I'm surely going to continue with my vlog after Eid as well. That is why I made like my vlog channel, because that is like more casual and I don't need to put makeup on always. Vlog, and I can take you guys with me along if I'm going out somewhere to a really good place. And after Eid, I'll like last video I'll upload like maybe on 11th or 12th. Then after Eid I'll take like 1 week break because it's my anniversary and we might just like go out, so I don't want to film and upload videos and then start uploading like my 4 videos a week like schedule. I'll get back on track, so that is like pretty enough for me. Now I'm just going to take this deeper shade and I'm going to use like a much dense brush to pack on the deep shade. So I'm going to take this deepest shade from the mini glam palette and I am going to put it in my outer corners, and I'm just going to like extend it like outwards, and whatever is left I'm just going to blend it in my crease. I think that is good for now, and we like deepen up the eyeshadow once we are done with the entire face. I'll take like the lightest shade from the Glam palette, so I think that is the Golden Flesh. It's like a beautiful color. You can use like glitters if you want, but I honestly don't have a lot of glitters and I prefer like a really good metallic shade. And Natasha Denona has the best eyeshadows, best metallic shades. I prefer to use like a good metallic shade. And I'm just going to take like a clean brush and just like blend the colors. And I'm going to top that with the Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal top coat in the shade Nude. This is like one of my favorite and it is very pretty. It is like dual chrome and really gorgeous. This is the lightest shade, but make sure to like close it properly because it will harden up and you won't be able to like use it again. This has like little bit of glitter particles and it's very pretty. It's very fine, gives like a nice dual shift, and they have like amazing shade range as well, but this is like one of my favorite. You can just use this on its own. I'm just going to put that in my brow bone. That is so pretty. And now again I'm going to take the deepest shade and deepen up the outer corner. You have to like do these steps, like repeat these steps like once or twice because eyeshadows like blend together. I think that much is good. I'm just going to take this black gel crayon from Maybelline. It's really nice, and where I've put like the deeper shade, I'm just going to start from there. I'm just going to follow like my lashes and do like a wing using this pencil, and then I'm going to take like a angle brush. First I'll just like smudge this and I'm going to extend this, and then I'm going to take like the deepest shade from here and just like smudge it. Okay, so I'm just going to take like the black gel crayon again and I'm going to put it in my waterline. Really dark and I really love this. I'm just going to like smudge it a little bit, and then I'm actually going to use the angle brush again and just smudge it. And I'm going to take the brown shade and put it in the lower lash line. I mean, it's looking like too much, but once we do our lashes it will look good. So we have that. Now quickly I'll just complete the other eye and I'll just be back. I'm just going to use the Fenty Beauty Blur Skin Tint for my foundation because I need like a medium coverage. I don't want to put like any full coverage foundation. I'm just going to use that much, and if I need more I'll do like a second layer. So I'm just going to like buff it in my skin, and I really love this brush from Zoeva. It's like a buffer brush and it's like huge, so it really makes it easy for the foundation to blend in and it doesn't take a lot of time. I love this skin tint, actually so good, really lightweight, really good coverage and amazing shade range as well. And the shade matched me pretty well. I mean, you can like build it up if you want, but I am actually good to go with this much coverage, just blending it in so it looks nice and natural. And for my concealer I think I'm going to use the NARS one, and I use this brush because it makes it very easy and precise, and my dark circles are way too bad. I'm just going to blend the concealer, and you don't want any harsh line. Now I'm just going to use my blush, and I'm going to use the Nude Sticks blush and in the shade Poppy Girl, like a nice orange color. So I want to actually use this. I'm actually like putting the blush now and then setting my under eyes, otherwise I always forget like to use my cream blushes, and this is like really pretty color. Just going to put a little bit on my nose. Such a beautiful color. My stomach is like making like weird noises. Now on top of that I'm actually just going to use the Luminoso just to like set a little bit, not a lot. Now I'm just going to set my under eyes really quickly. I'm just going to use my Laura Mercier and I'm going to set my under eyes. I'm going to set my smile line because I need that. And I'm just going to like buff in a little bit of powder on my entire face. For bronzer, I'm actually going to take the Jouer one. So this is the Sun Swept Bronzer Duos. Mix both these shades. I'm going to bronze my face. I mean, it doesn't really like hide my double chin, but just going to like try. And last night I actually ordered one earring, the one that I wanted. I ordered from the Pakistani website. I think it's like Boulevard One. I ordered from there, and I couldn't do the payment because somehow it like got out of stock. It was such a beautiful earring, but then again I ordered like a second one, so I think I'll get that tomorrow. I ordered a golden and a black sandal for me as well from 6th Street. I mean, I ordered just like a simple one, so that will actually like take a few days. So I think my outfit is like pretty done for Eid. I just have like one outfit, that's all. Yeah, just like uploaded my main video yesterday, my beauty video, and the review on the Huda Beauty lipsticks, and uploaded the vlog as well. So both the videos are like already up, so I'll put a link, so just check the video. I'm just going to set my face really quickly, and then we'll use the highlighter. So I'm just going to use the Pixi Beauty. It gives a nice glow. It smells so like herbally. Now for highlighter, I'm actually going to use the Jouer one because I mean, I'm really loving this highlighter, and it is in the shade Citrine, and it is so blinding. I had the shade Skinny Dip, but it's like way too deep for me. So I'm going to use this and bring it a little bit on my apples of my cheeks. Really beautiful color. I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose. I really love doing that, and in between my brows. Now for lips, I'm actually going to use the Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Honey Beige. This is like a nice nude brown color. Really pretty color. That is so pretty. And I am actually going to use the Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade, I think, Sweet Cheeks. I'm going to use the shade Sweet Cheeks. It is a beautiful muted pink color, so I'm going to use this. That is so pretty. So this is for my look. Now I'll quickly just do my lashes. I'll put like the false lashes, and I'll do my hair, and I'll just be back and show you the final look. So I'll just be back. So yeah guys, this is my final look. I use the lashes from Huda Beauty in the style Olivia. That's one of my favorite. And yeah, so done with my look. Really looking so pretty. And I might do like this look for Eid as well, I'm not sure. But yeah guys, this was actually all for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you love the simple eye look that I did. I mean, it went like still like smoky, but I really wanted to do something similar, something like that. And I wore this jewelry. I got it from India. I'm not sure which brand, but loving the lipstick, so gorgeous. So anyways guys, this was actually all. So do try this eye look for Eid, and if you do, please tag me in your Instagram post. I can see it, and I'll do later maybe like one more Eid video if I get like time. But until then, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.